Welcome to the next episode of Exploring the Flora Around You. In today's episode, we are going to know about the most delicious and tasty part of the flora, that is the fruits. So come with me, let's go and explore the fruits that we can find in India. So I came across this amazing fact that India is the second largest fruit producer in the world. So have you ever wondered why these fruits taste so delicious? Let's find out why. So जब हम कोई fruits खाते हैं तो हम हमेशा seeds जो होती है वो अलग से निकाल के रखते हैं और कभी कभी हम गलती से seeds भी खा लेते हैं. And there's a rumor that अगर हम seeds खाते हैं तो हमारे पेट से एक plant grow कर सकता है. Well, अभी तक मैंने तो काफ़ी seeds खाई और मेरी पेट से तो कोई plant grow नहीं किया. अगर आपको लगता है कि आपके पेट में कोई प्लांट ग्रो कर रहा है, सो लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो. सो हम तो सीड्स निकाल के रख देते हैं, बट जब एनिमल्स व्हेन दे कंज्यूम द फ्रूट्स तो दे कंज्यूम इट एज होल, दे डोंट टेक आउट द सीड्स. सो द सीड्स दे स्टे इनसाइड देयर स्टमक एंड व्हेन दे एक्सक्रीट द सीड्स फॉल आउट एज इट इज, दे रिमेन in their original form. So this is the role that fruits play. They attract the animals by their amazing taste. They make the animals eat the fruit as it is. And when the animal moves away from the tree and excrete, the seed of one tree travels from that tree to another place. And thus another tree grow from that place. So this is the first important function of fruit, is the dispersion of seed from its tree to other places. You all must have observed that the seeds are inside the fruit. This is because the fruits, they act as a protective covering for the seeds. They do not let anyone hamper or damage the seed. But there is one fruit which has its seeds outside the fruit. And it is a very common fruit. Some of you must have tasted it and all of you must have heard about it. So if you know the answer, let us know in the comment section below. Do you know it is said that if we eat right fruits in the right seasons, they can provide us maximum immunity and keep us very healthy. So let's find out some of the seasonal fruits of India. So जैसे अभी monsoon चल रहा है, so some of the fruits that you can have in monsoon are jamun, lychee, cherry, peach, plum, pomegranates, and also pears. And while we were talking about pomegranate, there is one very interesting fact that you should know about the pomegranate, is that it can carry about 1,000 seeds in one fruit. Isn't that amazing? So the next month would be the winter. And as winter gets chilly, most of us gets affected by cold and cough. So in order to stay healthy and stay away from this cold and cough, here are some of the fruits that you can have. Those are oranges, custard apples, also known as sitafal, strawberries, figs, pineapple, chiku, star fruit, even papaya. So these are some of the fruits that you can have in winter, or rather you should definitely have in winter. And while we were talking about pineapple, there is one very interesting fact that I came across pineapple, is that pineapples are actually berries. Did you know that? The coming would be the hot summer. Summers are pretty hot in India, and also we feel very thirsty in summers. So these are the some fruits you must definitely give a try in summer, and those are mango, watermelon, karwan, targola, jamun, and even jackfruit. So these are some of the fruits you can have all year round, and remember to have them in the right season so that we can achieve and gain maximum out of these fruits. So we saw about the seasonal fruits and why we should eat them in the right season. Now let's look at some of the native and some exotic fruits of India. The number one is the jungli jalebi. It is called so because of its shape. It's just like a jalebi, but it tastes tangy and it is found in many states of India. Next one is the karambola, also called as the star fruit, because when it cut into slices, the slice looks like a star. The next one is the Buddha's hand. Now you all must have figured out that why it is called so. And also there's a folklore in northeast that the Buddhist monks, they carried this fruit from India to China, and now it is even found in China. The next one is the umbrella, also called as the Indian hawk plume. It tastes very much like mango. Another fruit is mangostan. Now it is the national fruit of Thailand, and it's also found in India, and it used to flourish in lots of numbers in South India. So now let's look at some more native fruits of India, and you must be pretty familiar with these fruits. So number one is mango. Now we all know mango, but it is believed that mango has been planted or has been cultivated in India since 4,000 years. There are a lot of references of mango in the Sanskrit literature. Another fruit is the jackfruit. Now the archaeologists believe that jackfruit has been on this land since 6,000 years. Another important fruit, and which is native to India, is the bale fruit, or it is also known as kavat. Now kavat is supposed to have element or a nutrient called tannin. Now tannin, it helps in the cure of cholera and even diarrhea. So as we have reached towards the end of the video, there is one more fact that I would like to share with you all, which got me very excited. That cucumber is actually a fruit and not a vegetable. I always used to think that cucumber is a vegetable, but then you never know. Some things can really surprise you. So that brings us towards the end of the video. In this video, we saw about the role of fruits, some of the seasonal fruits of India, and some of the native and rare fruits of India. Also, don't forget to answer in the comment section below the fruit which has all its seeds outside the fruit. And I hope you all liked the video. So share it with your friends and also subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe, and take care of yourself. Bye bye.